This is Desmodium triflorum. In Sanskrit, it's called thripada. That means these leaves have three parts. So thripada means like 3 feet. And this one, it grows quite, comes on its own in sunny areas with partial shade. That is, some afternoon sun is a bit harsh for it, but it still survives if there is plenty of water. And the whole plant is a herb. It spreads laterally, and if it is left, it lasts for a long time. And the whole plant is medicinal, and it has an acrid taste. In Ayurveda, they have these some 5 or 6 tastes. So it starts with the first taste is acrid, then you get the little sweetish tinge, acrid and sweet, and it's a cooling herb and expectorant, and also it aids milk secretion. So cows and all, when they get more of this, produce more milk. And then it is used in a vitiated pitta. Pitta has gone out of control and full body gets inflamed. It's called vitiated pitta. Then that condition, and then cough, bronchitis. So usually it's added when someone has high pitta as well as cough. Then it's used for wounds, abscess and sores. It has some sores healing property. This thripada. And then it's also good for loose motion because it's cooling. So it kind of if they're having a diarrhea and all, it's good. And then for gastric belching and all, and with the burning sensation. So that's the Ayurvedic use of this. Now I wanted to talk a little bit about this Desmodium trifolium. It occurs naturally in the lawns after some time. So people who are lawn growers, if they find these tiny purples, they should just let it be. Don't weed it off, because it's very nice to walk on this. It's cooling and soft, much softer than the lawn grass. And in the mornings particularly, it's absolutely amazing. This morning and evening also, if there's little dew and all after the rains, it's soft, moist, and walking barefoot on this desmodium is a wonderful therapy for reducing body heat and reconnecting with nature, grounding and all. And people can, it's very easy and hardy also, doesn't it? This is a roadside actually, it's in the inside our organic garden. There's a road and it's on the side. It's a good sunny place, and cows are grazing here. So cows also eat it, but they don't pull it out completely. Then so in the lawns, if you find this Desmodium trifolium, it will come on its own. You just let it be, let it spread. It spreads in the side like this. Now the plant is going like that, and then one branch is spreading like this. Then it grows quite wide. A single patch can cover a very large areas in the lawn. If you let it be, and if you selectively weed and leave the other plants, remove the other plants, you can have the whole lawn made with this. And so it's a weed that shouldn't be removed from lawns and all. And then if someone likes that coolness of the walking on these plants, they can plant more on the in the lawns. These purple flowers are very pretty, but people don't notice them because they are so tiny and their minds are busy with other things. Let me try to get one last good shot. This is the ground level. You can see there are numerous other little herbs. This one. All are soft. Desmodium trifolium. Very, very pretty plant.